Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 50 Ultra, and today I will show you how you can import contacts from a SIM card to the device. To get started, you will want to open up your standalone contacts application, which will be located in the Google folder, right over here. Next, you want to navigate to Organize. Now, before I actually begin the process of importing it, I do want to quickly mention a couple things. So in the Contacts tab, you can click right over here where I have the icon of a phone. You might have something else visible there. And for me, it only shows the device. Now, this is important as in my process of importing, I will not have a drop-down menu as I only have a device as the import option. But most people obviously have a Google account signed in on their phone, which contacts will default to displaying contacts from it. That's one. And number two, when you're importing your contacts, it does give you this as an option, and there's a drop-down menu which you will not see on my phone here. So anyway, that being said, let's go back to Organize, and from here we're going to select Manage SIM. This in turn shows you all the contacts that are located on the SIM card. Now in your case, you might see some contacts that are grayed out and deselected. Don't worry, these contacts already exist on your phone, and the device is just stopping you from importing duplicate contacts. Additionally, you can deselect contacts that you don't want. And like I mentioned, you might have a drop-down menu. That drop-down menu would be visible between the Manage SIM and the first contact. And it would allow you to choose different import location like the phone, which for me that's where it's going to go to, but also have the option to import to your accounts, like Google accounts specifically. And if you have multiple of them, you can choose which one you want. Anyway, once that is selected, you can select Import. This will import all selected contacts to your contacts list, which you can now go back to and view right here. Now, if you imported your contact to some other location that isn't right now selected, you might need to change it in here and just select the specific location. And obviously, at that point, it will display the contacts from that selected location. Now, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.